Hi.
Oh, hi.
Am I late?
Well, 10 minutes, I guess.
I brought you this.
Oh, is that Nutella?
Yeah.
Wait, girl, I can't eat this.
What's
It's not
wrong?
halal.
What is halal?
The logo, obviously. Like, it's a symbol that
Blah,
tell
blah,
us
blah.
Muslim
It
that
just-
whether we can eat the food or not.
Just yours. Must be a stupid religious thing, right?
Like, it's not about religion only, but when we have the halal logo on that food, that means the process of making it is safe and clean and like.
You're just making a fuss.
I'm not.
It's just some snack. You could just eat it. There's no poison in it.
There's no halal logo. I can't be confident in eating it. I can't.
Oh, this is why you guys never develop. You can even just eat a little snack.
Don't insult my country.
What? You're offending me. I brought you snack out of my kindness and you don't want to eat it.
That's not.
Sorry for being late. What's up with the sudden tense atmosphere here?
You look at this student right now. Like she gave me a snack and I told her there's no halal logo. Nothing.
She's just making a fuss.
And then she said our country are not developed.
That is a very
You can't even eat.
Okay. So here's the thing. Let's take a breath, you guys. Calm down. Okay. So I know you're an exchange student. You're from Europe, right?
Yeah.
So just like in how your country has a set standard, we Malaysia also have a standard too in producing our products.
It's just a simple snack.
We need to have the halal logo on that food before we
Alright.
want to eat it.
Okay.
Even at a restaurant.
Okay, now I'm the bad guy.
No, okay. So let me clear things up first.
Explain to me.
The halal logo implies that the procedures that the food is being produced is safe for us to consume, not just because of religious reasons. It's for the safety
For our
of
health.
their citizens too. Yes, and I know the ingredients may not contain any alcohol or pork, but yeah, that is due to religious reasons because they may not contain any of the ingredients. However, we do not. That does not ensure
Wait,
that the process is
But
being.
listen, actually, it's very hard for a packaged food to get halal logo.
Yeah.
Like the government will come check the factory and all, the cleanliness, every single thing.
It's a simple snack.
Okay, like what if the procedure of making it is not clean?
Yeah. What if the food?
You tell her right now. Like,
So it's my fault. Alright, okay. I apologize. I'm sorry for that.
are you sure you're being honest?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.